Presenting a pre-owned 2016 Mazda CX-5 Grand Touring. This four-door SUV has a four-cylinder, 2.5-liter i4 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Mazda has less than 170,000 miles on the odometer. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, digital odometer, external temperature display, moonroof, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, rear privacy glass, and window defogger.